In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add and use keyframes in Capcut on PC and Mac. If you've ever wanted smooth zooms, pans, or rotations that change over time, keyframes are the tool that makes it happen. They let you set a starting look and an ending look, and Capcut fills in the motion in between. Start by opening Capcut and importing your video. Drag that clip straight onto the timeline so you can work with it. Click once on your clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. On the right side, you'll see the editing panel. Confirm you're in the video section, then find the transform controls. Transform is where you can adjust position, scale, and rotation. These are the settings we'll animate. Look for the small diamond icon next to transform. That diamond is the keyframe button. Move your playhead to the moment where you want the animation to begin. With the playhead in place, click the diamond to add a keyframe. You'll notice a tiny marker appear on your clip's timeline and the diamond turns active. That means Capcut remembers the exact transform settings at this moment. Now move the playhead forward to where you want the change to end. This could be a second later or several seconds, depending on how fast or slow you want the motion. With the playhead parked at that new spot, adjust your video in the transform panel. For example, increase scale for a gentle zoom in, tweak position X or Y to create a pan, or add a bit of rotation for a dynamic twist. As soon as you change any of these, Capcut automatically adds another keyframe at the playhead. You now have a start and an end, and Capcut will animate between them. Press play to preview. If the movement feels too fast, slide the second keyframe farther down the timeline. If it feels too slow or not pronounced enough, bring the keyframes closer together or increase the amount of transform change. Keep the motion subtle for a professional look, especially with zooms. Too much scale can make footage look soft. If you make a change you don't like, use undo or click the diamond at that time point to remove the keyframe. You can repeat the same process to build more stages of movement. Add a keyframe, move the playhead, adjust the transform, and preview. That's all there is to it. Import your clip, select it, add a keyframe, move the line, and adjust the video to your preference. With a few careful keyframes, your edits will feel polished and intentional.